How to delete photos from Google Drive. Hey everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that how can you delete picture or photos from your Google Drive. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open any browser over here and from that browser open Google Drive. Alright, after you open the Google Drive, you'll have to just open that folder or file where it contains the picture, and from there you'll have to just select that picture. As you can also go in the source field and search for that picture files, and after you find the picture, you'll have to just do a click on three dots just at the right hand section of that picture. Alright, after you click on three dot, you'll have to click on the option move to trash. Alright, after you move that files or photos from here to your trash, it will automatically move with the recycle bin or trash over here. So for that, click on the trash option from here, and from this option you can either recover or delete this picture for forever. So for that, click on the option delete for forever over here, and after you click on this delete forever, you'll be able to delete that entire photos from your Google Drive for the forever. As you can also go with the options like recover from here, and from this option you can also recover this files from your drive. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.